Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so excited to be sharing a product release video for the Sparkle Season holiday release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Frosty Cafe stamp and die. Frosty Cafe is a single stamp of a snowman in a seasonal concession stand. The image measures 3.5 inches by 5 inches. There is a coordinating die set available, and that die cut will cut out the image from the Frosty Cafe 4x6 stamp set. Now let's take a look at a card that I made using the Frosty Cafe stamp and die. I made a 5x7 and I just love how it turned out. Now let's take a closer look at a few projects that our design team has made for you using the Frosty Cafe stamp and die. Just darling. Be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a wonderful day.